Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this Prestige Atlas Delight electric rice cooker. Okay, this is the package what I have received yesterday, which I ordered on Flipkart. So let us open this electric rice cooker, which is from the one of the popular brand, which is Prestige, and the specific model is Prestige Atlas Delight rice cooker, and the quantity is of 1 liter. We'll see the box contents. As it is mentioned on the box, not only rice, you can cook pulao or steam vegetables, and you can cook idlis, etc. Okay, there are two functions for this electric rice cooker, which is cook and warm. Okay, once the rice is fully cooked, it gets into the warm stage automatically. Okay, the button gets to up so that the rice remains warm for few hours. Okay, this is the package. There is a detachable or removable power cord, and as I said, there are two functions here: cook and warm. So once the food is fully cooked, the rice inside, it gets into the warm stage. And this is the lid with the plastic handle. See here, yeah, this one. And the plastic spoon, you can say, the serving spoon, which is a bigger one, yeah, to take the contents. And this is a measuring cup. This is the measuring cup to measure the rice and pour water and everything. And this is the trivet, which can be used to exclude rice burnt. Yeah, this is also included in the package, and this is the measuring cup we have already seen. And yes, 160, 120. Okay, these are the measurements. And the main cooking pan is of aluminium only. This one, aluminium, not a non-stick, nothing like that. Normal aluminium pan only. And the user bought this around 1800 rupees. At the end of the video, what I'll do is I'll be showing you the online price also, where the Flipkart cart. I'll be showing that, and these are the measurements here also. See here, cups and the measurement also provided. You can check it. Yeah, inside also there are measurements. Yeah, fine. And this material is aluminium. Okay, and it is of good quality, lightweight but good quality. Yeah, 1 cup, 5 cups. Yeah, and this is the induction sort of bottom. Yeah, yeah. So if you want a review video on that, or user opinion on this, please do ask in the comments, so that we can make another video on how good is this electric rice cooker from Prestige is performing, so that you can get to know. If you want such video, you can just post in the comments, so that we can do another video. And this is the removable or detachable power cord, and along with this package, there is a recipe book provided also. You can see here, and it is stating that there are 30 exciting recipes included in this recipe book. Yeah, nowadays all these recipes and everything are available on YouTube also, but these are specific to this Prestige electric rice cooker. So this will be useful along with the ingredients and the quantity. Clearly it is mentioned. You can have a look at them, because this you can use for the multiple purpose, not only rice cooking, but even they have mentioned like these recipes can be done using this Prestige Atlas Delight electric rice cooker. Yeah, the noodles and everything, you can have a look at it. And even if you do have any other questions related to this product, Prestige electric rice cooker, you can ask in the comments. And yeah, and the color is also decent, white and blue color, which is decent. And let us check now the online details. We have seen the product night. We'll check the online details now. Yeah, see here, this is the cooker what you have just seen all this time. which I did the unboxing. And currently this cooker is showing up here 1750. Anyway, you need to check in the Flipkart mobile app for the exact prices. And this got 4 rating here, and many bought this as Prestige is one of the trusted brand and popular brand. And yeah, you have seen in the unboxing, this got cook and warm features, and 1 liter capacity, cool touch handles, the side one which you have seen, closed lid with steam vent, and keep warm mode and detachable power cord. All that I have shown you here. And one thing, are there anything missing here? Yeah, it takes 400 watts of electricity. Yes, brand is the Prestige. So if possible, I'll be attaching it in the view products. You can check for the more details. And these are the dimensions. Okay. Yeah. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah.